going, lazy bushcrafting fans? It's myself, Owen. Today we are going to do a review on the Firepot Eat Well in the Wild food. This particular one is the beef stew with pearl barley. It's not a very big package. However, it does contain, if you eat the whole entire thing, it does contain about 780 calories. So that's a really good thing, especially if you're out in the wild doing a lot of mileage. Now, as you can tell, I already put the hot water inside, cooked it for about 15 minutes, which is as per the direction. You want about 400 milliliters for this one. We're gonna give a first taste right now. Because of a COVID, I can't really smell anything, but that's besides the point. The point is, it's all about the texture, and it's all about whatever taste I can get out of this. So if it's quality, if it's a quality item, it's gonna taste really good, and the texture is gonna be really well. When you look at this, it looks like crinkle cut potato chips. So that's really strange, but I'm not gonna judge it by the way it looks because I'm hungry. All right, let's try this. It's not bad. There's definitely a lot of texture, as you can tell. It does look like potatoes. And for the taste, it's not bad. I don't know if it's beef stew, but you know, then again, this is made in England by hand. I'm not sure what beef stew in particular in England would taste like or look like, but it's okay. You can actually see the ground beef, so that's good. It's not just like, what do you call it? It just doesn't look like a blob of mess that some other brands out there would give you. I think initial taste review, I give this maybe a 6 out of 10. That's, I would say, average. Maybe it'll taste even better as I get deeper into the actual meal. But yeah, let's give it one more taste. Actually, I'm gonna dig deeper. Okay, so this is pretty deep. The good thing about this, you don't really taste the saltiness. There's not a lot of salt. Like, let's see. Oh, okay. 1350 milligrams. That's about 59% of your daily value. But I'm assuming that's daily value as in if you're just sitting home and not out in the wild. Okay, I think that should be it. Go get yourself, try it out. Let us know what you think. There's other flavors out there. You don't have to try this one, but if you do, let us know. Thanks.